All right, this is just ghetto, fabulous, ghetto, like.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your fave girl, Beauty Vibrate Me You, aka Bougie Brit. So today's video is all about a 3-in-1. Get ready with me to brunch. In this video, I show you how I do my hair, how I get this sleek ponytail with little waves on them, and then I show you guys how I do my full makeup, full beat, no eyebrows, but I show you how I achieve this flawless base, and then I show y'all my outfit. If y'all are interested in this video, please stay tuned. Please watch all my videos to the end, okay? That'll help me out a lot so I can bring out more content for you guys and upload regularly. So if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications. I will see y'all in a bit. Today's video is all about a 3-in-1. Get ready with me for brunch. So currently I do have my hair in a slick pony. We're going to be adding some length to it in a couple of seconds here. Basically I just have edge control all over my hair, but first you want to blow dry and wash your hair, of course, and then flat iron it and then put the edge control. My natural waves are coming out a little bit, but I've been using some edges, some raised wax on my hair to sleek down my hair, and I love it. But I'm going to be using this brand's ponytail. This is insert name here, and this is a Shayla ponytail. It's beautiful. It's a wavy texture. It's about 22 to 26 inches. I'll insert the link and everything, but I bought this with my own money. This is synthetic hair with human fibers, I believe. Right now it is super soft. I'm able to run my fingers through it, so let's just go ahead and put it on. There's like a little Velcro right here to unveil the little clip-in and the pony right here, guys. So I'm gonna insert this into the back of my bun. I love this. This is so freaking cute. So it's inserted in the back of my bun. And so you put the clip on your back of your bun, and I like to just wrap the hair around the base of the bun until the Velcro meets up with the Velcro. And then I take this little part, the one that goes around the base of the hair, I have the ponytail on and it looks just like this. So cute, right? So freaking cute, and it looks so natural. I'm gonna change this top real quickity split. It's not giving me the vibes, okay? The vibes aren't here with this top. My Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. I love this thing for my edges because it just slicks them down like nobody's business. So I'm taking this elastic band that I normally use for my wigs. I just cut a piece of it off. I got it from the beauty supply store. And I find that this can lay your frontals. This can definitely lay your real baby hairs. And I love it. So I'm just gonna go back with my little scarf and just wrap the whole thing up together. I'm gonna take my P. Louise base. I'm not really gonna talk through all this. I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm using as it's a get ready with me kind of vibe. Too Faced Soft Peach. This is the Morphe. I don't know what brush this is. It's just come apart. It's just come apart because I keep washing it. How is my battery about to die? Is this real life right now? How? Like I said, we're taking Too Faced. We have our P. Louise base on. I'm going to be taking Puree from the Too Faced palette, and I'm just going to be putting this right in my crease. So I'm going to be taking Caramelize from the palette. It's like a cool tone bronze. I'm going to wipe off the excess product with paper towel. It's just a bronze color. A light, it's like a bronze color with a hint of gold in it on the lid and a little bit into the crease where the groove of your eye meets, the socket right there. Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, the OG. Sorry if it looks a little bit funky. It was raining earlier today and the sun is just playing peekaboo with your girl and I'm sick of it. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's also another bronzy color, but it has more gold in it. It's right above the green. It looks just like that. And we're placing that right on top of the caramelized color that we just did. Even though now, like, I'm seeing it on with the bright light, it's not doing much for me. And so the last shade we're going to take is from the Zodiac palette. It's Leo, and it is a copper color. It's very copper, it's very bright, and I love it. So this is just going to give us that spotlight effect that we want on the lid that is really pretty, and it opens up the center of our eye. Going back into the Too Faced palette, I'm grabbing Charmed, I'm Sure. It's a cool tone brown, and this is just to add definition into our crease. With this part, we don't have any more eyeshadow to do. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild breakup proof, waterproof liquid liner, and I'm using this so that I can draw my inner fox eye. Just a little bit easier. More precise than the brush. Then we're gonna go with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, one of my faves. Alrighty guys, the lashes are on. One thing I want to let y'all know, it is summertime. Okay, technically it's hot, it's bright. I want y'all to know that y'all need to change y'all's foundation, okay? Change your foundation, change the color, because you want to know why. You've gotten darker, you have a glow. It's time to not wear the same winter color that you had, because it's going to make you look ashy, okay? And ash is not in, okay? So I have my two foundations. I have NARS Cadiz and I have the Sheer Glow in Bahia. I think it's Bahia. So anyway, I'm mixing the both because Cadiz is more of my winter color, my spring color, and Bahia is like my fall color. No, it's my summer color. Don't say I didn't tell you. You knew, sis. You knew. I've already moisturized my face. I'm not going to do anything extra. What I'm going to do now is put the foundation on my bridge. So I'm not using a beauty blender. Can you believe it? I look ashy with this. Y'all see it? Like, it looks like a dull gray cast. That's what I mean about ashy, and that's what you don't want. So I'm gonna take some Bahia. Bahia, I know I'm butchering this name up. And already you see the warmth and the glow, because in summertime we want to glow. We don't want to look like a corpse, okay? Baby girl, looking like a corpse is not the move. Next, I'm gonna take a beauty blender. I'm just gonna press everything back into the skin so there's no streaks or anything like that. This is just an ankle brush from Sephora. I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's Truffle on the brush like this. I contour all the planes of my face. Okay. You use it on a brush, it blends better and it doesn't move your foundation, and I love how it looks. Like, you can do this before your foundation or you can do this after. It works either way. So we're gonna do it over here too as well. We're gonna blend it all out. That's a lot right there. I'm gonna fix that. Taking the Actually, what I should have took was my foundation around here because it's a little bit too light for me. I will never not use my beauty blender to conceal my under eye. I can't use a brush to blend out my under eye. This isn't for me. Take a big powder brush and just set over here. Because this is more my skin tone, so I just want to set a little bit of it up. I'm going to take my Becca in Panama Sun. That's one of my only bronzers, but hey, you don't need to switch out your bronzers. Only if you're reviewing new ones. I do want to try the Fenty Beauty cream bronzers because I know those might be really good. I'm just going to set my under eye real quick, and I'll set and I'll be right back. Back to In Panama Sun. This is from Becca. And then you want to connect it to your brow bone like that. That's pretty much it for the face, but I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in Gold Light. It just gives you a nice glow. It has some gold flecks in it, and because it's summer, baby, and we want to be glowing. So yeah. All right, this is just ghetto. All right, this is just ghetto, fabulous, ghetto, like fabulous, ghetto, like it is what it is. Camera is charging, so I'm just taking over on my phone. I'm just gonna mute out my lips so I can show y'all what lip product I'm gonna be doing today. Show y'all my favorite lip combo. One of my faves. It's always a brown lip liner with a nude and a gloss on top, or no gloss on top. That's just my favorite lip combo. Act like you know. This is KK Beauty in the shade 4. KK, I always say KK, it's KKW. We have Peach Stock by MAC. And I'm gonna take this weird Damashi Kelly matte lipstick. I just hate who. Y'all could have made an easier name than this, and I'm not even gonna butcher it. I'm tired of it. Just take this color. I think it has more pink. Am I lying? Yeah, it has more pink, and it's more matte. The other one is satiny. And I'm just gonna mix these two babies together. Take Butterscotch from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Really digging it like that. It's too like light, but it's okay. But yeah, this is the look, guys. I'm gonna show y'all how the fit's looking like. Oh God, I almost forgot to highlight. We're gonna take this Marc Jacobs and we're just gonna highlight the cheekbone. It is the color Omega Glaze. It's an illuminizer. We're gonna just put it right here, just for the pop of glow. It is brunch. We want to look like we're shining from within. Okay? We want people to stop and stare. Stop and stare. Okay, I always bring that one a little bit farther down. I don't know why. And I'm just gonna put this on the tip of my nose. I mean, it just doesn't get better. So let's go change the fit, and I'll be right back with my vlog camera. This is the full fit. This is what I would wear to brunch. For a relaxed vibe, out on the patio, boobs out, titties out, sitting up, you know, we got the pastel color going on. Trying to see how I can get the full fit in here, but I don't know. So, but like I said, the pants need some tailoring. I would wear my classy bougie ratchet. Yeah, I would definitely wear my classy bougie ratchet. Little vibe with this outfit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tell me what your thoughts are. Do y'all like videos like this? Because actually it's fun. It's a lot of work, but it's fun. So if y'all would like to see more videos like this, please let me know so I can shoot more content like this. Shout out to Jen Be Chillin' for letting me know this is what the girls wanted to see. So yeah, I really enjoyed how this look turned out. Makeup is popping, fit is popping, titties is out, okay? It's really summer, but quarantine edition. But yeah guys, I will talk to y'all in a bit. Love y'all.